Viewers, this is your favorite darling boy Recycle. I welcome you all to Pima TV. I entreat each and every friend to subscribe, like and share our video. Pima TV, the unbreakable TV that you can ever find in this world. Thank you. It's here for the Mama Father and that TV. I something Recycle here. Now, the name about DJ Pasti, no Jesus, no life, well making shop, and I away. DJ Pasti, wedding rings, any kumadi ahodo. Kawa ahodoɔ a yɛde bɔ live yɛde ware ne nyinaa opidi a ibinya bi ɛwɔ DJ Pasti ɛhɔ na ɔno no ɔyɛ kwan ɔfa so ɛyɛ ne deɛ no ɛyɛ soronko we use the traditional way ɛna ɔde yɛ the wedding rings na ɔhwɛ ne processes na ɛde fɛ gyama na ɔbɔ so te sɛ ɔtomfoɔ bɔ dadeɛ na afei bi ɔhyɛ ase ɛyɛ ne measurement ɛna ɔteki ne measurement. No, you're not drilling processes.
So how do you do the first step?
The third step, I'll melt it again.
Okay.
And this one, I just want to make it open.
Okay.
Then I'll find a way to.
Actually, you are making a wedding ring.
Yes. Now yes. I'm making a wedding.
A very quality one.
That's how we used to make the quality
wedding ring.
Yes.
You have very modern machines. You have modern machines. How did you get this machine? Because
this machine is everywhere. Anywhere can use it.
But did you import it from outside?
We import it from nearby stores.
Okay.
But from outside.
Outside.
So this one is drilling machine. And this one is this one is the polishing machine, and this one is vice. And we have some people.
So this is for filing.
Filing, and this is for finishing. And this is for sandpaper.
Oh, okay, that's fine. In fact, I've been seeing a lot of your rings. Sometimes I think they are imported ones, foreign rings.
Yeah. Some of the rings.
Some of your wedding rings are like foreign ones, but they are made locally.
Yes.
And I can
locally original
ring.
Ring.
The last time I bought some from you, it was very quality.
Yes.
That's why this time I've come to cover your activities so that we share it with the outside world, so that they get to know the good things that you have in Nkoranzaa here. Those are around Techimai. Those are around Techimai, Kentampo, Atebugo, Ejura. They can come to Nkoranzaa for a wonderful and a quality wedding ring.
Yes, this one is quality.
Yeah, all sort of rings. Whether it's for female or male, you can get engagement.
Any type of ring you want.
You can do it.
If you have a problem with the wedding ring, you buy and there's fit, then you can locate.
And what is the name of your shop?
The name of your shop, No Jesus, No Life Jewelry Shop. You see.
No Jesus, no life.
No life.
So no life, no quality jewel.
Yes.
So you are making quality and very nice jewel. Please, may I know your name?
My name is, you can call me DJ Pasti, but I mean the real name is Sambana Kwame. So
yeah, but your showbiz name is DJ Pasti.
Yes, that's my showbiz name.
Yeah. So you don't only do rings, but you're also a media person,
yes.
a musician.
Yes.
Artist.
Artist.
Very soon we'll be bringing your music on our YouTube channel.
I'm not using artist.
So, welcome to Pima TV. This is our brother DJ Pasti, who used to work on the radio station, but now has set up his own jewel manufacturing industry, and he's doing very well over here. If you can see, he's making a lot of quality rings. If you want wedding rings in Techimai, if you are around in Nkoranzaa, Bunu East region or Ashanti region, you can pass by to Nkoranzaa behind the Methodist Church on Lodina Street. You can locate opposite Nkoranzaa Basod. This is Basod, Nkoranzaa branch. Some of the rings that he's showing to us, that these are very quality rings,
original,
not fake.
It's durable.
It's very durable. and this can last for years.
Affordable price also.
And these are made affordable for everyone, so that it's very affordable and quality.
Yes.
So that each and everyone can have easy access to a very good wedding ring.
This one is close to 24 carats.
24
Yes.
carat gold.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a big guarantee on also.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you have a gold or bauxite or anything, sorry to say bauxite, if you have a gold or diamond, you can pass by. This man is very generous. He's very generous and honest man. You can trust on him. He will do a quality job for you. If you want it instant, he will do it for you.
Yes.
If you want it, maybe wherever you are, you can. Yes. He will make sure that you get your ring at the appropriate time. And if you see he's actually a DJ, you can see the mic here. I said he's DJ Pasti. So, but he has a lot. He has a lot of talent. This he said he uses this one for filing. Last time I said I'll be coming to you. This is how they use the fire, the blacksmith method. They use this method to bend the metal so that the metal will become a little bit soft and nice, so that you can shape it. So if you can see, he's still in the process of making several rings. DJ Pasti and a manufacturer of wedding rings, all sort of rings, promise rings, engagement, wedding, life rings, any type of ring, you can find it from DJ Pasti.
The most important thing is it is quality.
Yeah.
You see, this one is handmade.
This is handmade.
We use gold coin to make it.
And this one is made from gold coin.
We use gold coin.
These are made from gold coins.
This one.
These are gold coins.
Turn it to the ring I show you. And this one is 24 karat gold coin.
This is 24 karat gold coin.
Yes.
And these are some of these rings are ancient coins that he used to manufacture the rings.
Yes.
They are ancient coins. They are not just a fake coin or ordinary coin.
Even every coin that can melt it is good in it.
Yes, every metal or every coin.
Yes, that can
easily be melted.
Authority with the fire that can, locate fire without any melt. Easy melt.
Yeah.
Have gold in it.
Okay.
And every coin they use gold to do it.
Okay.
But we use old coin to make it.
Okay.
Every coin, so it is very, very good.
Yeah. So like he was saying, this manufacturing process is a traditional way of making rings, making quality wedding rings, promise rings. This is a traditional method of doing it. And this traditional way of doing it, this one, we can say that there is no joint in it.
No.
This ring has no joint. As the process,
you can see the process.
You can see the process. The process suggests that there is no joint in it. He bore or drilled the hole within the process, and there's no place that he joins the ring. This takes a long time.
You can see. I started with a small hole, but now see the hole.
Yeah, now he said he started with a very little hole.
It's coming big.
He has been able to